Hey there mga my loves, Virgo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yun nga, no, bago natin simulan to, by the way, ang content natin is aalamin natin, no, kung bakit ganyan ang pakikitungo niya sa'yo, Virgo, no. Pero syempre, itong tinutukoy natin dito, no, pwede kayong may specific person on your mind, no. Basta kung sino ito strongly connecting sa yung energy, no, siya yung ating makukuha here, no? At kung klaseng pakikitungo yan, whether that's something positive or negative sa inyo, we're gonna find out, okay? Wala tayong gender dito, Virgo, no? Just take only what resonates, and of course, this is timeless as well. Cross watchers, if you want, you can flip the roles then. So yeah, let's go ahead, Virgo, and find out what is really the situation here with you together, this person. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Bakit ganito ang pakikitungo ng energy na ito with my Virgo? Can you please show us? Why is this energy acting this way towards my Virgo people? This is for Virgo. Why is this energy acting this way towards Virgo? Thank you so much again, new subscribers. Sa returning subscribers, maraming thank you for staying with me. Okay, so let's go ahead, Virgo. Okay. Could be dealing with someone here younger than you. You're wanting to have this balance in this type of connection here. Looks like nasa isang situation kayo kung saan maaaring posible na meron ngayon dito na nasa rocky road kayo or nasa isang sitwasyon kayo ngayon na hindi maganda or hindi umaayon. No? So, pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng pag-aaway, pwedeng pagtatalo, at hindi pagkakaintindihan. Whoever this energy is with the Four of Wands present in this reading, Ten of Cups and Six of Cups, this is definitely someone here connecting to your heart space. But with this Ten of Swords right at the middle of this reading, Ten of Swords together with the Four of Cups energy, I'm picking up that there's someone here na natatakot, no, na actually, um, puwedeng itong tao na 'to 'no, is nakagawa na rin ng pagkakamali 'no or kasalanan sa inyo, okey? Doesn't have to be, this is something big, pero possibly because this is Ten of Swords here. Pero malinaw na malinaw that this person here, okay, is someone na nasaktan ka na niya noon at hindi ito isang beses lamang. Okay? At nakikita ko rito na may pagmamahal ka sa kanya with the Four of Wands energy. You're seeing this person here as your other half, no? Yung iba pwedeng kasal na kayo sa kanya, yung iba pwedeng hindi pa, pero siya na sana yung gusto mong makasama here, okay? In the future, no? Siya yung gusto mo rito na bumuo kayo, no, ng tinatawag na home, family together, yun nakikita ko dito for you guys, no? Pero yun nga, no, right at the center of this reading, this is the issue. Gusto mo sana magsimula kayo rito ng something big with the Ace of Pentacles energy, no? Hopefully, ayaw mo sana no, na mag-end itong connection na to with the Temperance and Death in Reverse because Death in Reverse signifies that someone here do not want this connection to end. Actually, nakikita ko naman dito that both of you do not want this to end. Okay? Kasi nakikita ko naman na meron din naman dito mga bagay na masaya naman kayo with each other at napagkakasunduan. Pero you know what? I think this is more than yung tingin ko kasi normal sa isang relationship ang magtalo, mag-away at magkaroon ng hindi pagkakaintindihan, isn't it? Pero dito kasi, no, nakikita ko dito for you guys, so that this is more than pag-aaway, this is more than here that type of situation. Kasi parang nakikita ko rito, willing kayo rito umintindi with the temperance, no? Kung sa pagitan ninyong dalawa, ikaw yung mas nakakaintindi rito, ikaw yung mas malaki yung pangunawa, na nakikita ko rito na gusto mo rin magkaroon ng balance because temperance also wants to receive here the balance that he or she is giving out to the world. So, ibig sabihin, this is you, no, na hindi mo naman dinidemand yun actually, no? At hindi mo rin naman hinihingi no, na higitan niya yung ibibigay mo. Pero sana, magkaroon rito ng tinatawag nating parang teamwork because this is a relationship. And this relationship is gusto mong maging commitment because of the Four of Wands. Four of Wands is hindi nalalayo sa marriage and you're feeling that this is literally the person that is someone na para sa'yo and you're wanting as well, no? Na magkaroon rito, no? Ng fresh new start. Kasi, ikaw to na gusto mo magsimula, no? Dito sa relationship na to, nang kayo pa rin yung magkasama. Or this person here, gusto niya magsimula na kayo pa rin yung magkasama here. But there's a problem. May fear. Yan, no? May fear na baka maulit na naman tong kasalanan niya. May fear na baka ayan na naman, nagawin na naman niya yung bagay na ayaw mong ginagawa niya. No? This is you have doubts. And high chance na hindi kayo nag-uusap ngayon. At high chance na hindi nagpapansinan or kung nag-uusap man, no, hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng magandang pag-uusap sapagkat pwedeng mainit pa yung issue or sitwasyon. Ano man yung issue na yan, no, nakikita ko rito na parang pakiramdam mo nasa isa ka kayong rocky road or zigzag line, no, pagdating dito sa relationship with this specific person here. Well, nakikita ko naman, no, na meron naman siyang love for you. Pero yun nga, no, parang meron siya ritong kailangang i-shadow work sa sarili niya. Ano yung shadow work para sa hindi nakakaalam? Ito ay ang buong tapang mong haharapin at susolusyonan ang mga bagay na nagpapa, ito, nagiging blockage na nga lang. Hindi ko alam yung Tagalog eh. Nagiging hadlang, no? Upang ikaw ay magkaroon ng maayos na pamumuhay. Ano ibig sabihin doon, minsan? Ibig sabihin, itong person na kakonik ninyo ngayon, Virgo, no? Meron siya rito bago ka pa niya makilala. Meron siya, no? Pwedeng childhood pa lang siya or bata pa lang siya. Meron na siya ritong trauma. Siyempre, it doesn't have to do anything no, na may kinalaman sa'yo kasi hindi ka pa naman niya kilala from that time. So, pwedeng posible yan, iba-iba yan kasi general message to, no? Pero, ano man yung nagpa-trauma sa kanya na yun, hindi niya yun napagaling. Whether that's a broken family, whether that's naabuso siya no, in different ways nung bata pa siya, or pwedeng iniwan siya no, ng parents niya noon, or baka during nung unang nagmahal siya, no, which is wala pa kayo kunwari nung time na yon, or wala pa kayo nung time na yun talaga, no, pwedeng nasaktan siya at hindi niya yun nag-healed. Kumbaga ang ginawa niya, kumbaga sa manhole, okay, ang ginawa niya is, hindi niya yung tinakpan. Ang ginawa niya is, umalis lang siya. Lumabas lang siya roon. See? So, ibig sabihin, hindi niya inayos yung issue na yun. Kaya ngayon, daladala niya yun. Hindi lang dito sa relationship ninyo, sa lahat. Pati sa trabaho, maaring siya ay may initin ng ulo, bugnutin, no? Tapos tinatamad, walang gana, ayaw niya kumilos, no? Ganyan, nakikita ko dito. Yan ay malinaw na epekto ng mga hindi niya pag-shadow work or pag-fix or pag-repair sa kanyang trauma noon. Kasi yun yung mga babes, no? Ibig sabihin, meron siya rito mga bagay na kinatatakutan, no? Na dapat hinaharap niya. Kasi nagiging hadlang ito, no? At posible maging hadlang ito, no? Sa mga iba pa niyang pagdadaanan sa buhay niya, no, whether makakasama ka pa niya or hindi, no, yun ay sariling battle na makakaapekto sa kanyang pamumuhay kung hindi niya ito magagawang solusyonan, no, at yun ang nakikita kong nakakaapekto sa connection or sa relasyon ninyo ng taong ito. Kung mapapansin mo, napapalibutan kayong dalawa, no? May magandang potential itong connection na ito, no? Yun nga lang, right at the middle of this reading, may issue na hindi rito gumaling-galing at hindi matapos-tapos kasi pabalik-balik lang yun. Why? Ang kailangan lang dyan, no, is tulungan mo na lang siya na harapin niya ito, no? Na, kasi alam sa totoo lang, natatakot siya harapin yung mag-isa. Hindi niya yun matanggap eh. Alam mo ba na ang Four of Cups energy has something to do with the word acceptance? Yun yun. Kunwari ganito, example lang to but doesn't have to be the situation. Okay? Pwedeng galing siya sa isang broken family, bata pa lang siya. Nasaktan siya ng sobra kasi ayaw naman talaga niya maghiwalay ang kanyang parents, no? Pero yun nga mga babes, no, hanggang ngayon dala-dala niya yun. Kasi hindi niya yun matanggap. Yes. Nagiging blockage pala yung ganyang bagay, Miss Yan. Yes. Especially kung ito ay nag-cause ng trauma at nangyari no, nung siya ay bata pa. Because we do all know that a child cannot really handle this type of problem kasi para sa kanila, it's something huge already. It's something large already. So, you need to help this person out kasi this person is actually in the dark right now. So, may potential naman talaga no, na maging maayos ang lahat dahil napapalibutan naman kayo no, ng parehas na love right here. No. Gusto niya rin magbigay sa'yo ng right amount of love that you're giving out or that you're giving to him or her. Pero hindi niya ngayon magawa dahil meron siya ritong mga issues na never naman niyang hinarap. Yes. Okay? So, yeah. Kailangan nyo rin dito mag-usap na ng maayos. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so Virgo, here is your reading for this person of yours. Actually, this is just a temporary as from the looks of it. But you know, okay, since you are partners here, you need to help each other. Because if this is your reading, I'm picking up that both of you do not want this connection to end. But something here has to be fixed or repair. So yeah, thank you so much, Virgo. Sarang hayo love and light. Annyeong.